Pull up a chair, keep the torches lit, and welcome back to the tavern. So recently, as in earlier today, I received some feedback from a fellow law enforcement vet, a man at arms, as he put it. It was polite, it was respectful, but it hit on a recurring theme that I've seen pop up. The idea that I'm talking down to modern gamers, I'm yucking the yum, I'm add wrong fun in it, I guess. Of those who like to play the current edition, like a, what, 5 or 5.5, of the world's most popular RPG. And he called me gruff, and he's certainly right. There's a soft side to me, but I spent, I'm 58, okay? I spent 20 years as an NYPD cop. And before that, I spent nearly a decade in high volume New York City retail. Uh, My writing and my speech are direct because of my previous life. Being indirect, pussyfooting around the topic, didn't just waste time. It was dangerous. I make no apologies for the delivery, but I think it's time we talk about the intent behind it. See, there's a fundamental difference between how we played the game 40 years ago and how many play it today. Today, there's a lot of yes and it collaborative storytelling where not the ref, the dungeon master or the game master is often expected to just facilitate the player's cool moments. In telling a story. And if that's your cup of tea, have at it. God bless. I'm not saying bad, wrong, fun, but I'm trying to tell you where I'm coming from. Because in the tavern, we focus on procedure. BX, D&D, Shadowdark, Old School Essentials, Labyrinth Board, Dragon Slayer, Swords and Wizardry, Osric, Castles and Crusades, the list goes on. Right? These games aren't Minion. They certainly are procedural. We track light, we track rations, we roll for random encounters. We stress player skill over character skill roll. Dice fall where they may. When I critique modern design, I'm not attacking the people that play it. I'm highlighting the fact that when you remove those procedures, you often lose the very tension and player agency that makes the game feel real. Since there's no risk of failure, success doesn't taste nearly as sweet. Unearned success has very little true value. But here's the part that often gets lost in my roughness, so to speak. I get emails and comments nearly every single day from players who aren't OSR purists. Heck, some of them have no idea what the OSR is beyond what they've seen on this channel. One, earlier today, watching the channel and still didn't know what BX stood for. Okay? They're coming from modern gaming. And I'm hearing from DMs who are running modern games, have started using 1981 VX encounter table, or the Shadowdark torque mechanics, or procedures that I've spoken about on this channel. They're telling me that for the first time, their players are actually afraid of the dark. They're telling me that the game has more weight now, that their players are more engaged. And that is why I do this. Despite the delivery, despite the gruffness, bridges are being built. You don't have to play a classic game to use a classic logic. I'm here to offer the tools. What you do with them at your table is entirely up to you. I am a product of my time, both on the street and at the gaming table. My job isn't to be your cheerleader. My job is to be the referee. I'm going to tell you how the engine works, why the gears are there, and what happens when you pull them out. And I'll encourage you to put them back. So take the lessons I offer freely. If a piece of advice doesn't work for your group, discard it. doesn't apply to your style, ignore it. But if you find something here that makes your game better, take it and make it yours. That's the ultimate expression of the hobby that we all of us, OSR and modern gamers alike, love so much. The Tavern is about keeping the torches lit for the classic style. It's about the community that values the challenge and the procedure of the crawl. I want to thank the 240 plus minions and Tavern members who keep this place running and the ale flowing. You're the ones who make it possible for me to sit here and give it to you straight pretty much every day. If you're new here, pull up a chair. If you're a returning veteran, I'm glad to have you back. God bless. And as an aside, I believe YouTube is running a 1 month free promotion on membership. Just saying, if you're curious, now might be the time. Thank you, and I'll catch you later.